ORCA motors are fully integrated. This means, due to their all-in-one design, there is no need for extra components that other linear actuators usually require to get up and running. Essentially, you have the cable, the stator, and the shaft. The shaft for your ORCA series motor has been designed to be useful in a variety of mounting applications. The end of the shaft works as a high-strength joint, while featuring wrench flats and minimal dead length. Today we will be using the 1/20 threaded hole at the end of the shaft to attach a common mounting component, a swivel joint. These joints are especially useful for testing and measurement applications, as well as attaching motors to our Raven 6 degree of freedom motion platforms. Please note that ORCA shafts contain very powerful magnets and require caution while handling them, especially around other magnetic components or other shafts. This also means that they cannot be altered or machined, although custom shaft lengths of up to 39 inches are available. A wrench is used to apply torque when mounting end effectors. We recommend non-magnetic tools to avoid denting the surface. Note that it is more effective and safe to fit the wrench to the flat closest to where the accessory is being mounted, rather than to the flat on the other end of the shaft. Also note that the threaded holes on the end of Iris's shafts are blind holes. For more information on ORCA motors, their shafts, or the customizable lengths of the shafts, visit the media page of our website. Contact our sales team to set up a personalized demo today.